ఇవాళ ఈ స్టేట్మెంట్ చేస్తున్న అధ్యక్ష నేను the demand for the formation of a separate Telangana state is a highly emotive issue and is one which is close to my heart and the Congress party also. The Congress party always respected the sentiment of Telangana people and its stand on demand for a separate Telangana state was clear from the beginning. We have never in the past deceived anyone on this issue, nor will do in the future. Right from the beginning, we were for the constitution of Second States Reorganization Commission to go into this issue. The previous government of Telugu Desam had completely neglected the region's development. Then the Congress leaders from the region raised the issue of separate Telangana because of the negligence. The Congress legislators from Telangana met Congress President Srimati Sonia Gandhi after the 1999 Assembly elections and expressed their concern that the government of Telugu Desam will not be able to deliver development of Telangana in an integrated Andhra Pradesh. The matter was taken up with the NDA government, which rejected outright the request for the constitution of the second SRC. It was once again based upon the request from the Congress MLAs and leaders from Telangana and based on the resolution of Congress Working Committee adopted in 2001, State Congress Election Manifesto of 2004 stated, I quote, there are many valid reasons for formation of separate states in Vidarbha and Telangana. However, the reorganization of existing states raises a large number of issues. The Congress party feels that the whole matter could be best addressed by another state's reorganization commission to look into all the issues involved. The State Congress Manifesto for 2004 Legislative Assembly elections clearly brought out the concern and the importance it attaches to the Telangana issue. I quote, the Congress party recognizes the growing emotions and aspirations of the people of Telangana region. The common minimum program of the UPA government also echoed the sentiments of the people of Telangana in its categorical statement. The UPA government will consider the demand for the formation of a Telangana state at an appropriate time after due consultations and consensus. The UPA government took up the issue of Telangana and constituted a committee headed by Sri Pranab Kumar Mukherjee, which strived to arrive at a consensus on the formation of a separate Telangana state. However, consensus could not be arrived at that point of time. The welfare of the people of Telangana region is foremost in the agenda of my government, and a number of developmental initiatives have been taken to address the development and growth concerns of the region. The government of Andhra Pradesh has no objection for the formation of Telangana state in principle and feels that the time has come to move forward decisively